Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? Carlos is over here in the garage. We're actually installing a front lip on his WRX. It's in the back seat here. He picked up an Icon Motorsports front lip, so it's actually a bit nicer than mine, which is the HT Auto's front lip. And we're gonna actually install it in such a way with bolt-in rivet nuts. So basically it'll allow us to be able to put on and remove the lip very easily without having to take the bumper off. So we're gonna get it mounted up now, and then as soon as the snow really hits in the next few weeks, then you can take it off and keep it off for the winter. Mine's gonna come off pretty soon here too. But we figured we'd show you a quick DIY on how we're doing this with the rivet nuts. So we've lined up the lip with the bumper, and then we're drilling straight through the lip and the bumper. We've got 3 sets of hands, so we're able to like secure it, make sure all the sides match, and then double check it and then drill. So now we're gonna go here. If you've never done it before, you might want to practice a bit before going at it with your bumper. Alright, so we're doing this different than any other lip install I've seen before, honestly. We've drilled the hole in the bumper, we've drilled the hole in the lip, and then we take what is like a little rivet nut, like a threaded rivet, and we put it in the hole. So then it looks like this underneath. So Carlos has the rivet tool here now, and then you thread that kind of nut onto the tool and then put it into place here. And then when he compresses it, it basically secures it in place.
I just don't want to do it too much.
It seems like it's in there pretty tight now. You don't want to over tighten that because it could break or crack the bumper. So just do it enough that the rivet basically stays in place. Then you have to screw it out because it's now stuck into place. So now we picked up our hardware from the Home Depot store. We got all stainless steel. And then when it's in place, just thread it through. Alright, so quick break. It's actually gotten dark out now pretty quickly, but we had to run out to the hardware store and exchange the mounting hardware we were using for the screws because they came through and they were like pretty far down to here. They were like 1.5-inch screws. And what happened is when we put the bumper back on, those screws hit right here and over there along this. So we went and got shorter screws, and now we're back. So we're gonna finish drilling and then mounting on the lip. We'll be done. It looks so good. That was like such a clean way of installing a lip. I'm sure someone's done this before, but like I've never seen this before actually done, and it's so clean. So if you ever want to install it or remove your lip now, you don't have to remove your bumper at all. You don't need anything. You can literally just unscrew it. Look at the hole. It's just perfectly lined up.
Mm-hmm.
That was fast. Damn. Let's do a reveal. Spin it around. Yo, it's so perfect. Look from above, it's like perfectly lined up straight with the bumper. That's wicked.
That's crazy.
Nice. That was easy, dude. We are done. Looks awesome. That was actually such a clean install. Just gonna finish up wiring the lights and then plug everything back in, mount the bumper back on, and we're good to go. right, so the lip is on. Looks super nice. It's nice and even across the whole entire bottom. I think actually the brand and make of this lip made the biggest difference compared to like some of the cheaper lips. This one seemed to kind of fit just like a glove. It kind of like slid right into place to where it should be, which made the mounting like very, very easy. It was like pretty much sitting exactly where we needed it to go. So we just held it, and so we just pretty much used the tool and those threaded riv nuts, and that is like, that's such a nice install. So now if he wants to take it off before the snow hits, it's gonna be a breeze. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap that video up here now. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.